Hey y'all, Dustin Schaefer here. You're on watching this video because you want to lose some body fat. Now, first off, I want to let you know is that Keto OS NAT is not a weight loss product, but it is an unbelievable tool to help you maximize fat loss. Now, to do that, you're going to want to make some lifestyle adjustments with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down and give you the step-by-step process for you to maximize your fat loss, but most importantly for you to realize that it's not a weight loss product. It helps with all these amazing benefits: the mood, the mind, the focus, the energy. It gives you a higher quality of life, and it's going to help teach you a new lifestyle that you can maintain a new you, a new body, so that you can be fit the way you want to be and enjoy the rest of your life. So that's what we're going to teach you. So just watch the next series of videos. We're going to give you each step along the way. The more aggressive you want to go after it, probably the faster it'll work. But please take your time. Your journey is your journey. If you need to lose more than 10 or 20 or 30 kilo or 40 or 50 or 60 pounds for an extended amount of time, it's going to take you time to go through that process to learn your new lifestyle so that your body can make the adjustments. And you have the number one tool that's going to give you that guidance, allow you to feel great, improve the quality of your life while you're making this new lifestyle, while you're getting this new body so that you can look the way you want to look. So stay tuned and watch the other videos. Bye, y'all.